Good morning. Today we're going to write equations in slope-intercept form given 2 points. So here I have 2 points. You can graph them if you want, but it's easier just to do it this way. First thing you're going to do is you're going to identify your x1, y1, and your x2, y2. To find the slope of the line, we're going to use the slope formula, which was y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm just going to fill in my information. So I have y2, 5. Minus y1, 5, over 0, x2, minus x1, 2. Okay, I'm going to do 5 minus 5, which is 0, so I already know my slope is 0. I don't even need to do the bottom. And I'm going to write out the equation. Okay, so the slope is 0, so 0x. When you have 0x, you just don't write anything at all. Y-intercept, 0, 5. When I graph on the y-axis, I'm going to hit 5 because 0 for x, y is 5, and the equation of this line is y equals 5. This line's going to look like, it's going to be a horizontal line because it has a 0 slope going through 5, which is your y-intercept. Okay, another example here. I have 2 points, 0, -2, 4, 2. I'm going to use the slope formula again, so I need to identify my x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, I'm going to put that into the formula. So I'm going to do 2 minus -2. And for my x's, I'm going to do 4 minus 0. Okay. 2 minus -2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. So therefore my slope is 4 over 4, or 1. Okay, usually we won't put a 1 in front of the x because it's understood that if you have x there, it's just one of them. And my y-intercept is given here, 0, -2. That means if I was to graph this equation, I would start on -2. Okay, a quick idea of how this is going to look when you graph it. You're going to start on -2, 0, -2 on the y-axis. I would go up 1, right 1. Okay, I'll do that a couple of times. You can also go down and left to balance it out. And there's the equation, y equals x minus 2. Thank you.